Have you ever wondered about the most isolated places on this planet, places so remote that reaching them is nearly impossible? Imagine vast stretches of ocean, untouched deserts, and icy landscapes where the silence is broken only by the wind. Today we'll take you on a journey to some of the most secluded locations on Earth, where nature reigns supreme and solitude is absolute. Let's begin. Our first stop takes us to the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, to a place known as Point Nemo. This remote location, also called the Oceanic Pole of Inaccessibility, holds the title of being the furthest point from any land mass on Earth. Can you imagine the immense isolation? The nearest islands, Ducie Island, Easter Island, and Mar Island, are over 1,600 miles away in different directions. To give you a sense of just how remote Point Nemo truly is, consider this. The closest humans to this point are often not even on Earth at all. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting our planet at an altitude of approximately 250 miles, are closer to Point Nemo than anyone standing on terra firma. The depths of Point Nemo remain largely unexplored. It lies within the South Pacific Gyre, a massive rotating current that traps and circulates debris, making it a challenging environment to study. Yet, despite its remoteness and the difficulties in reaching it, Point Nemo holds a certain allure. It is a testament to the vastness of our planet and the sheer scale of the oceans that cover most of its surface. Our journey to Earth's most isolated places now takes us to the coldest and windiest continent, Antarctica. Here, amidst a landscape sculpted by ice and wind, lie the McMurdo Dry Valleys, one of the most extreme deserts on our planet. These valleys, nestled within the Transantarctic Mountains, are a stark contrast to the icy plains that dominate our perception of Antarctica. They are devoid of snow and ice, not because of warmth, but due to the extreme dryness of the air. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are a place where time seems to stand still. With minimal precipitation for millions of years, the valleys offer a glimpse into a landscape frozen in time. The dry, rocky terrain is punctuated by glaciers that descend from the surrounding mountains, their frozen tongues reaching towards the valley floor like claws. The valleys are home to a scattering of ice-covered lakes, some of which are permanently sealed beneath thick layers of ice, preserving ancient ecosystems within their depths. Scientists are drawn to the McMurdo Dry Valleys because they offer a unique opportunity to study life in extreme environments. The organisms that thrive here have adapted to survive in conditions that would be lethal to most life forms. These hardy life forms, such as lichens, bacteria, and specialized algae, offer clues to the potential for life in other extreme environments, such as on Mars. Chapter 3. Our exploration of isolation takes us from the icy deserts of Antarctica to the vast expanse of the South Atlantic Ocean, to a place called Tristan da Cunha. This volcanic island, rising dramatically from the ocean waves, holds the distinction of being the most remote inhabited island on our planet. Located over 1,700 miles from the nearest mainland, Cape Town, South Africa, Tristan da Cunha is a testament to human resilience and the enduring spirit of exploration. Reaching Tristan da Cunha is a journey in itself, a testament to its isolation. There are no airports on the island, and the only way to reach its shores is by sea. The journey, often aboard fishing vessels or research ships, takes several days, braving the often turbulent waters of the South Atlantic. Despite its remoteness, Tristan da Cunha is home to a small but vibrant community. A few hundred people, all descended from a handful of original settlers, call this island home. Life on Tristan da Cunha is simple, dictated by the rhythms of the ocean and the seasons. Fishing, farming, and raising livestock are the mainstays of the island's economy. Chapter 4. Our journey into isolation now takes us back to the frozen continent of Antarctica, to a place called Vostok Station. This Russian research station, buried deep within the interior of the Antarctic ice sheet, is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Temperatures here can plummet to unimaginable lows, with the station holding the record for the coldest temperature ever recorded on our planet, a bone-chilling minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, or minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Life at Vostok Station is a testament to human endurance and the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Scientists and support staff endure months of complete darkness during the Antarctic winter, isolated from the outside world by the unforgiving conditions. The air is thin, making even the simplest tasks a challenge. Communication with the outside world is limited, a lifeline to civilization maintained through satellite links. Despite these challenges, Vostok Station plays a vital role in our understanding of our planet. Scientists here study a range of disciplines, from glaciology and meteorology to astronomy and astrophysics. One of the most intriguing areas of research at Vostok Station centers around a vast freshwater lake that lies buried beneath miles of ice, Lake Vostok. This hidden lake, shielded from the outside world for millions of years, holds the potential to reveal clues about the evolution of life on Earth and the potential for life in other extreme environments. Chapter 5, our final destination, takes us from the icy plains of Antarctica to the heart of South America, to the Amazon rainforest. This vast expanse of rainforest, teeming with life, is often called the lungs of the planet for its role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. While the Amazon is a place of incredible biodiversity and cultural richness, it also harbors areas of profound isolation, places where the rainforest reigns supreme. Deep within the Amazon basin, far from the reach of roads and rivers, lie vast tracts of unexplored rainforest. These remote areas, untouched by modern civilization, are home to indigenous tribes who have lived in isolation for centuries. Their knowledge of the rainforest and its secrets has been passed down through generations, a testament to the enduring connection between humans and the natural world. The isolation of these tribes is not just geographical, it is also cultural. Their languages, customs, and ways of life have remained largely unchanged for centuries, offering a glimpse into a way of life that has vanished from much of the world. However, the isolation of these tribes is increasingly under threat. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agricultural expansion, is encroaching upon their lands, bringing them into contact with the outside world and posing a threat to their way of life. That was our journey through the most isolated places on Earth. From the depths of the Pacific Ocean to the frozen plains of Antarctica, we witnessed the power of nature and the resilience of life in its most extreme forms. These remote locations, far from the hustle and bustle of our modern world, offer a glimpse into the raw beauty and untamed wilderness that still exist on our planet. Do you think you could live in any of these remote locations? Could you handle the isolation, the challenges, and the unique beauty of these places? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys to the far corners of our planet. Until next time, keep exploring.